This is PriceTime's new bond terminal for the secondary market, where we list bonds that are traded on the exchanges NSE and BSE. We show you corporate bonds that you can see here. We show you GSECs, the government securities, and we show you the SGB, the sovereign gold bonds, which is a very popular product and very specific to India. Now going back to our bond list, let's scroll down, select one of these bonds for instance, and you can get all the information that you wanted on the bond, such as how the price moved, what's the YTM based on the last price, the balance tenure, and the rating. Now if you are more keen on additional features such as what the original coupon rate was, what the original issue rate was, what kind of a company, whether the bond is secured, unsecured, subordinated, and so forth, we'll show you that. If you'd like to see how the cash flow looks in the future, that again is something we've built in. You can select the number of bonds that you hold, and accordingly the cash flow will update. You can let me go back to another bond on our list out here, and you know what, let's just log into the exchange. So these are some brokers that you can log in with. Wherever there's APIs, we can link to those. Let's say we sign into this broker. Now the key part about this particular bond now is that either from this screen you can go in, you see the best bid and the best ask, and you can see in the live market what are the quotes available. This is the live order book in the exchange right now on BSE. So it shows you that there are various quantities of bonds at certain bids, and obviously there is an expectation of a 10% plus return. But the sellers, and you can see there are two sellers out here with reasonable quantities who are willing to sell at what I believe is a fair price for this bond. But there's of course one unreasonable price also out here, and you can run all these stats, and this is all live, and there's no other platform really that's going to show you this. This is not easy because we're running the YTM based on a cash flow and on live prices from the exchange. I've showed you the features before. You can also go in, change the pricing, put in a different price for instance, and you can see how the YTM moves in case you want to change your quote. You can go into the GSEC. You can see similar information. You can see that there is an ask available for a bond that's maturing in 2033. Perhaps not the best yield, but not bad either. So this is the kind of insights we can show for you, and also your holdings, which is very critical. Right now this portfolio holds only one bond, but we keep buying and selling, and the same can be shown for any customer's bonds. So that is a summary of our secondary bond trading platform.